My name is Micah Yeigh, Y-E-I-G-H, and I am an assistant adjunct professor at Portland State University and a parent of 2 children at Vinci Arts Middle School. I was here last Monday as well. But since I was here last week, I was part of a parent group that conducted a survey of just over 400 Vinci Arts Middle School parents. We received slightly over 200 responses to our survey. And overwhelmingly, as you can see from in front of you, parents support the current core structure that is designed to support the emotional and academic needs of our children. It is developmentally appropriate for children between the ages of 11 and 15 to have a supportive structure in place that is a bridge between elementary school and high school. Today at Vinci Arts Middle School, over 250 kids staged a walkout. They were out of the building for about 2 hours. And the press covered the protest. The Oregonian was there. In addition to the material you have in front of you, there were over 300 comments to that survey. In meetings with administration, the conversation has been about some students not meeting math benchmarks. This year, the school tried an intervention using 84 minutes of flex period about 20 times throughout the school year to support students who are struggling with math. I met with administration late last week, and when I asked if the intervention had worked, they said they had not collected any data to see if the intervention had worked. However, in an Oregonian article, a Da Vinci Arts Middle School math teacher wrote a response to an article. She opposes the changes and said that actually she had tracked data and kids had made improvements that we were wondering, did they start here and get to here and the benchmarks here? Or did they start here and got here and the benchmarks here? Well, it turned out they had made growth. And this was a thing that was the teachers will say, it wasn't as planned out as if they had really put efforts in to make it very targeted and strategic as they could in the future. So students had improved. So I would say that kids who struggle academically are those same students who benefit the most from having the current course structure. When I asked the administration last week how struggling kids are doing in their core classroom, they have no data. They have not collected any data to see how struggling kids are doing in their core classes and whether that is a support for those children. So I'm fully in support of finding a solution that raises math scores. In the current structure, there's that 84-minute block once a week that could be used to target those children that would address the needs without dramatically altering the core experience for all the kids. That structure benefits every child at that school. Parents are very dissatisfied with the proposed changes, and we urge a more reasonable response. And actually, the parents tomorrow night will be demanding it at the school. Thank you.